why being born in 1923 would suck, and why you wouldn't likely have survived. Today we're going to talk about a little-known fact from World War II. 80% of Soviet males born in 1923 didn't survive the war. World War II was one of the deadliest conflicts in human history, with millions of lives lost on all sides. The Soviet Union was one of the countries that suffered the most, with over 21 million casualties. One of the most tragic statistics from this period is that 80% of Soviet males born in 1923 didn't survive the war. This means that out of every 5 young men born in that year, 4 of them lost their lives. The reasons for this high casualty rate are many. The Eastern Front, where the majority of the fighting between the Soviet Union and Nazi Germany took place, was one of the deadliest theaters of the war. For every 5 German soldiers who died in World War II, 4 of them died on the Eastern Front. In addition to the fighting on the front lines, Soviet citizens also suffered from famine, disease, and forced labor. The war had a devastating impact on the country and its people. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has shed some light on this tragic chapter in history. Please like and subscribe for more content like this.